Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jen from Masigara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatigyan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, Leo, maraming salamat sa inyo at sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na sa mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng langit at may kapal. Maraming salamat po. So umpisa na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit, please give me the information for the sign of Leo. Ano ang pinaka-messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Oh my God, there's a devil energy. My goodness. And of course, may nagbibigay ng pabigat sa'yo dito, no? There's a burden. And the devil card, parang binibigyan ka ng pampamalas dito. Pinabibigat ang inyong buhay at negosyo, no? And of course, sinasabi dito with the King of Wands. Kailangan, there's a visions, no? Kumbaga, always positive, no? Always mag-isip ka ng mga magagandang eksena. Huwag ka naghahatak ng nega-nega dito. Mas lalo kang nababaon sa eksena. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, mag-cleansing at the same time kailangan mong kumbaga alisin yung pangamba at takot, no? What is additional messages? And of course, there's a Nine of Pentacles. There's a blossoming abundance, no? Para sinasabi dito na mukhang lalakas naman ang negosyo hanap buhay mo, no? At mukhang magtutuloy-tuloy yan. There's a wealth and of course there's a reward through hard work. Sinasabi na sa'yo dito na kailangan mong mag-cleansing at the same time basagin tong negative energy. Kasi dito na mukhang mamamayag pala talagang mamumulaklak ng pagdating sa negosyo o hanap buhay mo. And of course there's a strength card. Have confidence, no? Kailangan mo alisin yung takot at pangamba mo. At the same time kailangan mo maging matapang. Diba? What is additional messages? And of course, there's a Knight of Cups. There's an offer, a creative expressions, no? Kumbaga, there's a romantic proposal. And of course, there's an offer, invitations, and taking action. Something na magbibigay sa'yo ng heart desires, no? So, what is the Devil card? The Devil card represents the Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition. Some of you, pinapasok nito sa panaginip mo, sa daydream mo, night dream, or something na, kumbaga, nagbibigay sa'yo ng intuitions, no? Kumbaga, by instinct, vibration, inner voice, no? Binibigyan ka ng parang signs or synchronicities na you need to take an action for this, no? And of course, there's a Queen of Pentacles. There's an abundance coming your way. Kumbaga, talagang, kumbaga, pagdating sa finances, no? Marunong kang mag-manage, no? At the same time, sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, there's a lot of responsibilities and obligations, no? And burden. At the same time, there's a Six of Pentacles represent given or receiving something or something na bibigay sa'yo by the universe, no? Gift by the universe. And of course, there's an information na sinasabi dito by the support and magtutuloy-tuloy na raw ang magandang finances sa'yo. Kumbaga, tignan mo yung bigger picture of yourself, tignan mo ang magagandang kahihinatan, huwag ka tumingin sa mga nega. What is the Nine of Pentacles? What is the Nine of Pentacles? Angel Spirit Guides. And of course, there is a Nine of Cups. Wow. Kumbaga, there's an abundance dito, wealth, no? Independent wealth. And of course, there's a fulfillment. Biglang, diba? Kumbaga, ito na yung mamumulaklak na yung biyaya ng langit. Tapos bigla kang matutupad yung mga pangarap mo, yung mga goals mo. Diba? Powerful. What is the Strength card? And of course, sinasabi din dito guys, there's an high priestess. There's an information or there's an hidden agenda or hidden enemies. Sinasabi dito, may mga bagay na parang ilalahad sa iyo dito, no, ng katotohanan at ngayon magkakaroon ka ng confidence. So what is the Knight of Cups? What is the Knight of Cups? And of course, there's a Page of Wands. There's a good news. And of course, may magandang balita sa yung hatid to, yung offer na to. So, what is the Devil? And the Page of Cups. And of course, there's an Eight of Cups. See, I told you, moving on, letting go. Kailangan mong pakawalan at kailangan mong basagin tong negative energy na to. No, napakalalim ng pinanguhugutan dito. So, what is the Ten of Wands? And of course, the Queen of Pentacles. There's an Eight of Pentacles. Kumbaga, half a patient na magtuloy-tuloy ka about sa finances, about just sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, kailangan mong magpursige or being dedicated, no? Okay, what is the King of Wands? And of course, the Six of Pentacles. There's a magician, there's a manifestation, no? Kumbaga, will na ni God to, no? Will ni God tong magtutuloy-tuloy about sa finances sa'yo. Kumbaga, mukhang pinla na talaga ng ating Panginoon yung magandang buhay na nakalaan para sa'yo. Kumbaga, there's a willpower, and of course, there's a gift by the universe, and of course, by the gift by the God, no? And of course, sinasabi din si dito with the Six of Wands, there's a victory and success sa iyong mga pangarap at talagang magkakaroon ka na sa kasaganahan dito, no? At recognitions, success, victory, and winning, having the advantage, no? And what is the strength card in the High Priestess? So, there is the World card. Some of you guys, parang sinasabi dito na magkaroon ka ng confident kasi magkakaroon ka ng travel around the world. There's a mystery. Parang hindi mo ito ina-expect na makakaalis ka or hindi mo ina-expect na makakapunta ka sa ibang bansa. So, this is it. So, sinasabi lang sa dito na kailangan mo labanan ng takot at pangamba mo. So, what is the Knight of Cups and the Page of Wands? What is the Knight of Cups and of course the Page of Wands? There's a higher front, lesson learned, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo matutunan. And of course, there's an abandonment. Kailangan mong bitawan yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa'yo at magbibigay sa'yo ng blockages. Na kumbaga itong balita na to na magdadala sa'yo ng tagumpay or information or experiences, no? So, what is the outcome? What is the outcome? Angel Spirit Guides. There's a death card. There's an ending and a new beginning. Magkakaroon ka ng transformation sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, ito hindi mo ina-expect na mangyayari. At the same time, there's a Seven of Wands. Protect your power, protect your energy. And you are being protected. So, what is additional messages for this outcome? I need additional messages. At the same time, there's Ten of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. So, ibig sabihin nito, kumbaga ito ay protektado ka na magkakaroon ka ng pangmatagalang eksena, no? Kumbaga, itong success na to ay hindi siya panandalian, pangmatagalan siya. Kaya galingan mo, no? Kailangan mo tapusin yung mga bagay na kailangan mo tapusin, no? Ganon. Kumbaga, the death represent a new beginning. At the same time, there's a transformation behind. Okay, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? Wedding ring. So some of you, there's a union or marriage, soul connection, eternal love, or everlasting promises. Additional messages. At the same time, there's a girl talk, no? Some of you, pinag-uusapan ka ng mga friends mo. And of course, there's a time with your friends. At the same time, kumbaga, sinasabi dito ng having fun, no? So, what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? And of course, guys, sinasabi dito, there's a Sun and Strength card. Wow, empowerment. Diba? Ito yung magsisilbing kalakasan mo. At parang ito yung magsisilbing kaliwanagan sa lahat ng mga katanungan mo sa buhay mo. No? Parang ito na, yung this is the timing. This is the perfect timing, no? At the same time. There's a receive. See, matatanggap mo what you deserve. Diba? Ito na yung kalooban ng Diyos. Ito na yung ipagkakaloob sa'yo ng langit at may kapal. Kaya embrace the opportunities. No? So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a spirituality. See, there's an involvement lahat, no? Ginawa mo sentro si God at ginagawa kanyang sentro sa lahat ng plano niya. Diba? At the same time, there's a dream guided by that teacher and guardian, no? Ibig sabihin, some of you may gumagabay talaga sa'yo. At the same time, there is a change in creativity. Diba? Itong pagbabago na to, ikaw ang nag-create nito, no? At you create mo na to, mas maganda pa pala yung kahihinatnan at magiging outcome nito. So, let's see what is additional messages. Diba? Binulabugan ka talaga na eksena dito, Tin. Additional messages. There is a justice. I told you, justice will serve. Sa lahat ng mga sakripisyo mo, sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, this is your moment. At the same time, I told you, there's a trouble. Di ba? Kasi there's a the world card. So, nasabi sa'yo dito, nire-represent dito na may gala or may alis ka talaga. Or some of you, baka mangingibang bansa ka ba your work? No? So, let's see what is Archangel Michael. Admit the truth to yourself and act accordingly. See, kailangan mong maging totoo sa sarili mo. Hindi mo kailangan mag-pretend anything or anyone and everyone, diba? Kailangan mo lang maging totoo sa sarili mo, even sa mga tao sa paligid mo. At the same time, use your imagination and you see the answer, no? Gamitin mo to ng intuition at makikita mo lahat ng kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. Let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. Okay. Oh my God. And of course, there's an hydration. So, some of you guys, kailangan mo ng uminom ng 8 glasses of water. Baka napapadalas na ang iyong, baka madalas kang pagpawisan or something na, kumbaga madalas kang uminom ng soft drinks or anything. So, kailangan mo daw ng water, no? So, what is additional messages? There is an honesty. Oh, see? Kailangan mo maging totoo. Double clarification to na maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. Even sa mga tao sa paligid mo. And of course, there is a denial. No? I-acknowledge mo daw yung fear, no? At palitan mo daw yan ng awareness, no? Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na hindi mo naman kailangan or hindi mo naman kailangan itago, no? Na natatakot ka sa mga bagay-bagay. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, kumbaga harapin mo yung bagay na kinakatakutan mo. So, let's see what is the energy. The garden and the gate. See, magkakaroon ka talaga ng eksena dito na magdadala sa iyo ng happiness and fulfillment. At the same time, there is a angel of strength. No? Sinasabi talaga dito na maging matapang ka na humarap sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. Diba? Ang lakas ng ang laki ng energy na parang sinasabi na kinaklarify talaga na there is a confidence is the key. So, what is the monthology? About this monthology, Angel Spirit Guide, the fairy climax approaches, no? Kumbaga, nandun ka na sa exciting part. And of course, a new romance cycle begin. Magsisimula na yung panibagong chapter pagdating sa relationship. No? Hindi ka lang basta paiiyakin. Charis, pakikiligin ka pa niya. Diba? So, what is the chakra? And of course, there's a discovery. Marami ka madidiscover sa buhay mo. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo na-expect na kaya mo pala. Yung mga bagay na ma-expect na alam mo pala yung mga ganun. And of course, there's a joy. Magiging masaya ka dito. And of course, ilabas mo yung totoong ikaw. Yung passion mo. Yung kung sino ka talaga. Diba? Yung mga kakayanan mo na unpredictable. Diba? So, let's see what is the love or what is the romance angels. What is the, oh my goodness. Sinasabi dito guys, there's an healing family issues. Na magkakaroon ka daw with your family issues, na yung healing na yan. And of course, calling in your soulmate, no? Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. So, ibig sabihin dito na tinatawag mo yung soulmate mo na kumbaga talaga magkakaroon kayo ng collaborations or talagang, harapan or healing heart-to-heart talk or something ganon. Kumbaga, magkakaharap na kayo ng soulmate mo. Or baka suddenly nagkaharap na kayo. So, what is a Jesus loving quotes? So, sinasabi dito ni Jesus, take their no thought for the morrow. For the morrow shall take thought for the things itself. So, ibig sabihin dito, wag mong asahahin yung kinabukasan na mangyayari, no? Kumbaga, wag mong pangunahan yung mangyayari sa kinabukasan. Hayaan mo yung kinabukasan ang sumampal sa'yo ng katotohanan. Parang ganun. Yung parang wag kang mag-expect, 'di ba? The more kasi nag-expect yung tao, the more na nagkakaroon ng unexpected, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin dito, hayaan mo siyang mangyari, no, in the nature, no, na kumbaga mag-flow. Wag mong pilitin or wag mong hintayin, hayaan mong mangyari, no? So what is the angel's number? And of course there's a 21. I am inspiring. So let's see. You are highly creative with a strong will to succeed. Your imagination is highly charged. It reveals itself in everything you do. From your sparkling conversation to your most prized projects. Kumbaga dito, kumbaga yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo, kumbaga nakakapag-inspire ka ng ibang tao, no? Yung mga imaginations mo, yung mga intuitions mo, even yung mga creative mo, no? Nare-reveal yun at na isa sa katuparan mo at maraming humahanga sa ganong abilities mo. So let's see what is the messages of life. And of course, there is an appreciation. Achievement, sorry. There's an achievement. As I advance of the road, As I advance on the road towards achievements, I rediscover my greatest strength and learn from each challenges. I believe in my truest potential. Today, I have faith in my abilities and in myself. I move forward towards the fulfillment of my vision. I reach my objectives, I am courageous, and I embrace life. I am always in a good company on this journey towards the light. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga step by step, maaari may sa katuparan mo yung mga pangarap mo, wag mo lang minamadali, 'di ba? Kapag nagmamadali ka, may tendency lumagapak ka pababa ng lupa, 'di ba? Kumbaga, ang taas-taas na ng eksena mo, tapos bigla ka lalagapak kasi wag mong madaliin ang proseso, 'di ba? Patibayin mo ang pundasyon at patibayin mo lahat ng pinagdadaanan mo. Ganun 'yon. Kumbaga, kahit magsimula ka sa umpisa, magiging madali na lang yan sa'yo. Basta pinaghirapan mo at talagang dumaan ka sa tamang proseso ng tagumpay. So guys, this is weekly gabay for the month of August 1 hanggang August 8 for the sign of Leo. So this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat Leo for your wonderful reading and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!